Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix restrictions enabled. Certain apps, features or services cannot be seen or used when restrictions are on. To use this app, turn off restrictions or turn restrictions off. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to use some services or apps on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to screen time and then go to content and privacy restrictions, and from here if this toggle is on then you have to simply turn it off. So guys, you can see this content and privacy restrictions, you have to simply turn it off, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use any service on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.